Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your system boot time using CMD. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command prompt on your laptop or on your PC and run it as administrator. Once you do that, just simply open it, and here you need to write the prompt system info and hit enter and wait for this process to be done. It's taking a lot process, and here you can see a detailed analytics has been generated for your PC. And when you go there, you're gonna find this on this window. You have to find that boot device, and here you can see all the booting configuration, and here it says system boot time. You can check the boot time right here, and you can use it on your personal purposes. And there are multiple more information that have been generated out of your system that you can use as the way you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.